Gashad Air Mask is an innovative respiratory protective mask that is comfortable for breathing, lightweight, convenient, and reasonably priced. Gashad Air Masks allow comfortable breathing even if you wear them for a long time. The mask provides filtered air with a high-performance, high-efficiency HEPA filter. And natural air circulation is achieved through an automatic breath detection interlocking system. Unlike the powered air purifying respirators that provide constant air supply, Gashad Air Masks detect the user's breathing pattern and supply air only when the user breathes in. So with the stable airflow and positive pressure, it protects the eyes and face from cold. This product is also lightweight and fits comfortably. There are no accessories such as large motors, hoses, or battery packs that cause restrictions on movements or place strain on the body. It ensures excellent mobility and work efficiency, and prevents back pain and musculoskeletal diseases caused by the weight of accessories. Despite this superior performance, the price of the product is reasonable, and maintenance costs are low. The filter life is maximized by filtering only the required amount of air for breathing, and the battery does not need to be replaced frequently. Now, let's show you how to use it. Wearing is very easy and quick. First, put together the mask and power unit, and then install the filter. Press the power button to check the battery charge. Connect one of the connectors first, then engage the remaining connector with the product on your neck. Put on the head harness. Finally, adjust the strap to fit on your body. When you start breathing, it automatically starts working. With its soft adhesion and stable fit, Gashad Air Mask remains comfortable even after wearing it for a long time. What's more, it matches perfectly with other protective gear such as welding visors, helmets, and safety glasses. Removing it after use is also very simple. If no breathing is detected, it automatically stops working. When charging is required, the battery indicator on the panel flashes and a warning tone sounds. The charging port is located on the bottom of the power unit. The charging time is about 2 hours and 30 minutes. Also, when the flow of air is insufficient, in other words, when a filter replacement is required, the filter blockage lamp flashes and an alarm tone sounds. Good respiratory protection guarantees the health of workers as well as benefiting the company. Gashad Air Mask ensures comfortable breathing and a pleasant working environment in a wide range of industries, from welding to carpentry, manufacturing, food, and DIY. Breathing protection with the very best safety, work efficiency, and economy. That's Gashad Air Mask.